American 28, turn left heading 310.
310, American 10, or 28.
Good speed 235 traffic, 1 o'clock and 4 north westbound, turning southwestbound, 2,500 for 2,000. It's a 757 London parallel.
We got that 757.
Speed 235, maintain visual separation from that traffic. American 28 heading 310.
Return left to a heading of 310, American 28.
Delta 2759, 180 knots, 6 DME, towers 19-1.
182 is Alpha and over to Tower Delta 2759.
W 315 heading 150.
Heading 150, W 315.
Speed 235, turn right 260.
260, good speed 235.
W 110, descend to maintain 3000, heading 320.
3000, 320, heading JetBlue 110.
American 28 traffic out there at 1 o'clock and 3, turning westbound at 2,500 VFR Pilatus, land in the parallel.
And we got the two Pilatus inside, American 28.
Thank you. Good speed, speed 35, back to the right, heading 310.
310, good speed 235.
American 28 heading correction 260, you're 7 from Alpha, maintain 2,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach.
260, we're established on the localizer, clear for the visual approach 26 left, American 28, or 28.
American 28, that's ILS 22 left.
ILS 22 left, American, quick energy approach, wind 5.
Good speed 235, turn left heading 260, intercept 22 right, localizer.
Left 260, intercept localizer, good speed 235.
India 119 heavy, turn left heading 310.
Left heading 310, India 119 heavy.
American 28, maintain 170 knots, 6 DME, towers 19-1. American 28, 170 knots, 6 DME, towers 19-1.
178, and where's this Pilatus going?
He's landing the parallel, American 28, 22 right.
He is right above us, American 2228.
American 28, 170 knots, 6 DME. At speed 235, flatting 180, sir. It appears you joined 22 left.
Roger, we'll fly heading 180, good speed 235.
Air India 119 heavy, descend to maintain 2000.
Maintain 3000, Air India.
We're breaking off for American 28, he's right above us.
Good speed 235, maintain 2500, fly heading 180.
180, maintain 2500.
American 28, you can proceed inbound for the approach. He's coming out.
Yeah, American 28 re-establishing for 28, or 22 left.
Breakjet 4631 heading 360, speed 210.
Speed 210 heading 360, Breakjet 4631.
Good speed 235, climb and maintain 3500.
3500, good speed 235.
Breakjet 4631 heading 360.
Heading 360, Breakjet 4631.
JetBlue 110, turn left heading 260, intercept 22 left.
260, intercept 22 left, JetBlue for 110.
India 119 heavy, reduced speed 180.
Speed 180, India 119 heavy.
At 4631 heading 330.
Heading 330, Breakjet 4631.
JetBlue 110, 9 miles from Alpha, just going to maintain 2000 until established, cleared ILS 22 left.
2000 until established here for the ILS 22 left, JetBlue 110.
Tower American 28, shore finals, 22 left.
American 28, runway 22 left, clear to land, wind 27011.
22 left, clear to land, American 28. And Ground, we'll actually need to try to get a phone number for someone in the tower on that approach we had.
Okay, so not the tower, you want the TRACON, the approach control phone number, correct?
Whoever gave the Pilatus clearance to land, we need to talk to whoever that was.
So whoever vectored the Pilatus or whoever actually said clear to land? Two different buildings, that's why I'm asking. I'm sorry, I cut you off. It's two different buildings, that's why I'm asking.
No, that's fine. TRACON, whoever vectored them on.
Okay, no problem. I'll get a phone number for you.
Thanks.
All right, American 28, I have a number for you. You ready to copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we were watching on the scope. It got a little tight.
It got way too tight. If we hadn't bailed out, we would have collided.